going to see what is hole wizard. This is the symbol of hole wizard in feature, and this is our last created module. So we will make some holes in back side of this fan. So let's see how to make. Just click on hole wizard and wait few seconds. A window will pop up. See the hole specification window came. Here types and position. In types you have to select the hole type. See there are many holes, counter bore, then counter string hole. Then there are standard isometric or metric or ISO, or there are many standards. You have to select any one. We will select isometric, then type. There are the hole types, tapped hole, bottoming hole. There are everything, every hole type have different types. Then hole specification. You can select here hole specification whatever you want. If you will select show custom, you can select the custom width and the hole size also. And here end condition, you have to select either blind, through, up to, next, whatever. So we will see one. We will select this counter sink. Now we will select metric, isometric. Then this is showing CST flat, raised head, socket head also. We will see flat. What exactly this? Now hole type, hole specification. We will select one hole. Let's select M8. Okay. And fit to normal. Keep the thickness should be normal. Okay. Then the end condition. Blind make 15 mm. Okay. So this is the end condition. And downward this is the head size. So let's see. Select position. Now select any one place. Okay, one here, one this corner, and one this corner. Now go to sketch and select dimension if you want to give. Select dimension from here to this line. Select 25 mm. Now here to this line. Select 25 mm. The same as here, from here to this line. 25 mm. Now again from this line to this line. Keep 25 mm. So as according to your requirement, you can assign the dimension with the help of dimension tool. Select OK. Now here you can select OK. See, the hole already drawn in the bottom part of this 3D model. So this is the hole wizard tool. It is very important and very useful tool in Solidworks. Even you can draw one hole. You just draw one hole, select linear pattern. Now it is selecting all because we made 4 holes at a time, and you can increase any axis. See, it is increasing. See, you can increase in any body if you want many number of holes. 1 number, 2 numbers, select OK. See, so you can also create only one hole, and with the help of linear pattern you can make it in different way, different direction, and different